Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to copy trade on Robinhood. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do copy trading on your Robinhood account. Now if I talk about like is it supported by the Robinhood directly? So that is not supported by the Robinhood directly. Like there is no direct option in the Robinhood app or on the Robinhood website like to do copy trading directly on their website, but you can do it on your account. Like this is the website. As you can see, like there are some third party websites, or you can say that the broker websites. One of them is traderspost.io, and you can just go to Google and traderspost.io. You can search this and make sure to search the right query. And once you find this website, make sure to go to this website, Trader Sports, inside the broker section, and just open the Robinhood application. This is the website. So just go to this section called Robinhood. And now, if I scroll down, as you can see, click the button below to create your Robinhood account. Once you have an account, you'll be able to connect it to Traders Post and automate your trading strategies. So that is all about how you can do copy trading. As you can see, step one is create account. Step two is connecting your account with this Traders Post, and third is automate, or you can just call it copy trading as well. And you will be able to copy trade in this way. So that is a simple and easy process. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.